It's Monday, April 3rd, 2023. During another rainy day outside the office of the United Nations Refugee Agency, UNHCR, where I'm currently also on day 248 of my fourth hunger strike outside this UN agency. I've been left without any help and support. I urge you all to go sign this petition at change.org/hostage of Europe and also consider making a donation. GoGetFunding.com/hostage of Europe. I've been without food and without money for weeks again. Haven't been able to take a shower for over 3 months. Please help